As of today, three locations have been identified, and we should be able to absorb all um, those vendors who fulfill all the parameters set by the Department of Urban Affairs.
For
I
first
think
phase?
it's somewhere between 200 to 250. Yes. No, this exercise has already uh, been ongoing for the past 1 year. There are parameters laid down clearly by the government. Those who fulfill those parameters are in the list of qualified vendors, and they only will be rehabilitated. Relocation of hawkers is concerned, our main emphasis is that the exercise should now be taken to its logical end. So now the certain spots have been identified within the Khyndailad junction as well as other areas which are of commercial nature like Mkra. So these areas, the vending zones, will now be notified, and in the first phase, Khyndailad, and then in the second phase, Limekra will form part of the exercise. And as far as Khyndailad is concerned, we should be able to complete the exercise by middle of November, meaning the exercise of relocating the vendors, issuing them the necessary permit, and then we will go for the pedestrianization of